Welcome to students. Today we are going to discuss about the next point of this chapter, that is aesthetic guidelines for bridge structure. In last video lecture we have to already discuss about the various loads coming on the bridge structures. In this chapter we have to see the importance and necessity of the aesthetic guidelines for the bridge structures. Let's have start. If bridge structure has aesthetically pleasant appearance, it will contribute the improvement of city and landscape appearances. The aesthetic it is not an important point, but it is a contribute or it is a necessity to improvement the city and landscape appearances. However, there are cases in which bridge structure deteriorates landscape due to its ugly appearances. That is why this article will shed light on the aesthetic guidelines for bridge structures. The various bridges are present in the city which has the deteriorates or which has the landscape due to ugly appearances. But that cause we need or we have to require the aesthetic guidelines for bridge structures. The aesthetic in the bridge structures we have to various aesthetic in the bridge structure. First we have to consider these points. The first is clear structural system, second good proportions, good order, next integration into environment, next choice of material, next coloring, next space above the bridge, next recognizable flow of force, next simplicity, and last one is the lighting. This is the important points of the at the time here to the design and constructing the aesthetic of the bridge. We have to see in one by one in detail. First aesthetic is the clear structural system. It is necessary to make sure that the load bearing elements of bridge structures are reduced to as minimum as possible. That is the at the time of the designing or the construction of the bridge, we have to ensure that the load bearing elements, that is the pairs, are reduced as minimal as possible. In this way, not only does it look stable but also reliable. Neither the utilization of various statically elements would offer good appearances nor statically correct system look satisfactory pleasing. To sum up, load bearing system of the bridge should be simple and convincing at the same time. At the last, the load bearing system is the bridge should be at the simple looking and also convincing at the same time. Just like this picture, it's just looking the simple and convincing. This is the image from the Svinesund bridge in Norway, elegant and it's simple. Next, another image of this clear structural system. The third Caroni River Bridge in Venezuela looks simple and reliable. This is the aesthetic. It's looking nice and good appearances. Next point is good proportions. One of the elements of bridge structure that play significant role in its aesthetic is the presence of the balance ratio between the structural members. The good proportion is important play role in the aesthetic that is in the presence of the balance ratio between the structural members. For example, create the balanced ratio between shadow and light area and length and height of the bridge. For the example, you have to this balance of the bridge structural members between the shadow and light area, also length and the height of the bridge structures. This is a good proportion image. This is the Kocher Valley Bridge, Germany. In the span of the bridge is 130 and height of piers is 180 meter. In this made of the bridge to fit the valley properly and have parabola shape in transverse direction, which makes the bridge aesthetically pleasing. This is the bridge is in the Germany. It is the Kocher Valley Bridge. The span of the bridge is the 130 meter and the height of the piers is the almost up to 180 meter. This the bridge is the fit in the valley in proper and have the parabola shift transfer direction. Also, it makes the bridge aesthetically pleasing. Third one is the good order. The edges and lines of the bridge, which create appearances of the structure, should be in satisfactory order. In the good order, the edges and lines of the bridge it should be which is to create the appearances of the structure. It should be a satisfactory order. This may be obtained by declining number and direction of structural elements. Added to that, repetition of structural members may provide good order. Nonetheless, tedious repetition and routine should be prevented. In the good order, we have to preventing the tedious of repetition and also routine should be prevented. That is the good order. In this is the railway bridge across the river Nantes bridge in Germany. Even though depth of the girder is changed up, but slope of diagonals is almost same, which improve the bridge aesthetics. Cross members have been omitted to reduce the structural members and direction as well. In this picture, you have to see the depth of the girder is the changes, but the slope, slope of the diagonals are almost the same as the improve the bridge aesthetic. It is a good aesthetic of the bridge, and also it is the cross members have been omitted, the reducing the structural members, also the reducing structural member, that is the reducing the piers and also directions as well. This is the aesthetic importance. Next is the fourth one, integration into environment. The bridge can be integrated into surrounding area by proper selection of materials used in the construction and the scale of the structure. Nowadays, it is very important to protect the environment by using the proper selection of the materials in the construction and the scale of the structures. These measures will make the bridge to harmonically integrate into the environment. This is the measure they will make the bridge to harmonically integrate into the environment. In this picture, you have to see the materials used in the bridge construction, like the surrounding building, and the color bridge railing is like surrounding area as well. In this picture, you have to see the material used in the bridge construction is the like the surrounding of the building, and also color of the bridge railing is the like the surrounding as well. This is the proper environment. Next, choice of the material. Fifth one is the choice of material. The suitable materials shall be selected in terms load bearing capacity and appearances. We have to selecting the materials for the in terms of the load bearing capacity and appearances purposes. For example, concrete should be used in the strut construction, whereas steel employed in the tie construction. For example, it is we have to use the concrete used in the strut construction type, and also steel we have to use in the tie construction of the bridge. Tie construction of the bridge. Next, forms can be used to provide texture for large area of concrete, but small areas are recommended to leave it smooth. It is possible to apply natural stones for lining large areas of abutments and piers. For the good aesthetic purpose or good appearances, it is we have to apply the natural stone for the lining of the large areas of abutments and also piers. Here we see that we have to select choices of the material. We have to using this natural stone for the pier, the massively elegant bridge construction from natural stone and in Japan is get the good aesthetic view of the bridge. Next is the coloring. Color plays crucial role in the provision of visually pleasing appearances of bridge structures. Color it is the most important play role in the aesthetic appearance of the bridge structures. These are the case in which the bridge structures, either constructed from steel or concrete, need to be colored to be integrated into its surrounding area and have attractive appearances. It is a cases where to construct either the bridge is the in concrete or the steel structures, then it's the color to be integrated into the surrounding area and which have attractive appearances. Here is seen that the dark green of the piers and light green for the deck have chosen to make the bridge like the surrounding trees. In this image we have to see the dark green color we have to use for the piers and also light green for the deck members to chosen the for surrounding trees. It get the attractive appearances. Next one is the space above the bridge. The space above the bridge should give travelers a good and comfortable feeling. It might be nice idea to show the start and the end of the bridge if there is no other structural element extended above the bridge. This type of the aesthetic is the very shows the attractive aesthetic or aesthetic appearances. It might be nice idea to show the start and end of the bridge if there is no any structural member or structural element extended above the bridge. Historically, bridges were improved in terms of aesthetics by placing statues on bridges. In old days, the bridges were improved in the term of the aesthetic purposes, the placing the various statues in the bridges. The cable creates a shape like the tent, which might give the travelers feeling of safely. In this image, you have to see the cables are the important play role in the aesthetic of the appearances, which shape like the tent, which might be travelers the feeling the safety at the time of traveling. Next is the recognizable flow of force. Ordinary observer should be able to see the flow of forces and satisfied that it is acceptable, otherwise observers may feel uncomfortable. In this aesthetic, the ordinary observer should be able to see the flow of the forces and it is satisfied to acceptable, otherwise the observers may feel uncomfortable. In this picture, you have to see the load transfer can easily observed. In this image, you have to see the load coming from the surface of the road. Next is the bearing of the bridges, and next piers. It's easily visible or easily visual. Ninth one is the simplicity. The simplicity, it is the most important factor when it comes to bridge structures without items used for aesthetic improvement. The simplicity is the best is the slogan. The simplicity is the best. Its slogan, it is a very useful in the bridge structure also. It's the most important factor when it comes to bridge structures without items used in the aesthetic improvement. The structural shape should provide aesthetically appealing view. In this image, you have to see the simple bridge shape but aesthetically pleasing the view. This we have to see in this image or in this picture. It's a regular bridge shape, but it's aesthetically very good, or aesthetically is very pleasant. This is the purpose of this simplicity. That cause we have to prefer the simplicity of the bridge, because it's have this help for the reducing the cost or economy of the bridge construction. Also, we have to prevent or avoiding the critical design of the bridge, and it's and also get the aesthetic pleasing view. The last point is the bridge lighting. The bridge lighting, it's nowadays it's common thing. It is a bridge lighting. It's get the contribute the city uh, development or city appearances, also landscape appearances. This type of the bridge lighting we have to see in the Pune, uh, and we have to know the Pune is known as the bridges of the city in the Maharashtra, because various bridges are construction as compared to other cities. In the Pune, it's various bridges have to get the for the pleasant aesthetic view. They get the bridge lighting. For example, in Swargate, in Pimpri Chinchwad, various bridges also. Next, it could improve the aesthetic appearances of the bridge structure at night. Modern technologies has improved the lighting of bridges and provides the better aesthetic views. The main basic thing of the aesthetic is the to get the improvement of the also contribute the city appearances and the landscape appearances. This thing we have to done at the also in the night section or night mode with the help of the bridge lighting. With the help of the modern technology, we have to improve the lighting of the bridges and provides the better aesthetic view in the night mode. In this image we have to see the pleasant aesthetic view in the night of the bridge. Consider appealing the bridge lighting. Okay, today we have to stop here. In next lecture we have to see the another remaining part of the in this topic. Thank you so much. And one request to all of you, please subscribe the video and like also. Thank you.